arrived safely across the border. This is the Iranian flag, can you see that? And this is the border control. Hello YouTube, let's talk about one thing, that is drone and Iran. So I would like to bring my drone into Iran, but I'm still uncertain if it is possible. We all know that flying drone in Iran, it's kind of dangerous. You might have seen the news that some tourists flying the drones and they end up in jail. And to prepare for that, I asked some of my Iranian friends, but I got two different answers. One type said, no, you better not do that because it's kind of sensitive and it's better not to violate the rules. And the other said, you know, drones, you can buy them easily in Iran, and Iranian people flying drones as well, so you won't have a problem. And then I asked my foreign friends who have been to Iran. I also get the answer. The answer is yes, they did brought their drones into Iran in luggage. They don't know if it's permitted or not, but they passed through the border check and nothing happened. I googled, I found some other tourists have the same experience as well, but I'm still not certain if it's legal or not. After thinking for a few days, I've decided to bring my drone with me, because in case it is not allowed at the border, I will go back to Armenia and then ship my drone. If it is allowed, I will bring it with me, but I will never use my drone in Iran because I don't want to cause any trouble. Yeah, so that is my decision. What will happen, I don't know, but I will keep you updated. I booked this ticket about 4 days ago from Yerevan to Tabriz. It costs about $40, but it's saying it's a travel agency, so we are now waiting not in a central bus station but somewhere on the street. Salam. Chini. Chin, 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 chin.
بله میگم یه صندلی عقب بشینید یکی بله چون که اینم باید بشینه اینجا 19 همه شما بدید اوکی بشینید بیا
مرسی.
بله
Salam. This is my seat. Quite spacious. We also have some food. This is the food we have. We have a juice and we have a juice, a small cake, a handkerchief, and a candy.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. You're from?
Tourist?
Yes, tourist.
Japanese?
Chinese.
Chai.
Chin.
Nah,
Chin.
Chin. As the ocean.
Yeah.
Nah, Chai.
You're from Iran?
Iran. I'm from Iran.
Tabriz? Iran?
Tehran.
Tehran.
Mashhad. You're tourist?
Mashhad.
Only?
Yes.
Single?
Yes.
Single tourist?
Yes. Our bus has stopped after 3 or 4 hours drive, and I want to show you this landscape in Armenia. Best way to visit Armenia is to drive a car, because you will have a wonderful road trip with amazing open view. Apparently our our driver has brought petrol from Iran because the gas in Iran is way cheaper. I moved to the front of the bus because I want to have a view of the landscape. Now we're driving in the mountains. And I was again offered a chai. Merci. Captain. It's a really long ride and everyone's sleeping. We are making a third stop right now. We are somewhere near Kapan. Look at this map. So here we are, and this is Iranian border. This is a part of the Azerbaijan, and this is Armenia. And we're now in the mountain area. Look at this beautiful landscape, that high mountains. Yeah. There is a fountain here with a cross. And in Armenia, it's
My name is
Amir. Nice to meet you. So in Armenia, you can often see crosses sometimes on the top of the mountains or in springs like this, because it's a Christian country. We have arrived at the Armenian border. Look at that. That's written customs. And very soon someone will come and check our passports. We also have to take all our luggage with us to go through the border control. Didn't expect that. So this is still on the Armenian side. But this border crossing is kind of exciting, and now we are in the Armenian side. It's a Christian country, and we're going to cross that river. On the other side, it's Iran, Islamic country. We are walking towards the Iranian side. I have to put my heat up, and I hope all my electronics will be fine. So let's see. We are already in Iran. We've crossed the bridge. I have safely crossed the border. This is the Iranian flag, can you see that? And this is the border control. So everything went quite smoothly. I showed my passport, and because for Chinese citizen passport it's visa free, so I entered without any problem. I was a little bit worried about my quadcopter in my luggage, but in the end nothing happened. So I'm now very happy, and I'm looking forward so much for my coming months in Iran.